Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless. Pwede kayo maging bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video. There's no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Gemini. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Gemini. Job loss, termination of employment. Okay, for some of you, nag-iisip kayo maghanap ng bagong trabaho, new company, new employment, okay? Yeah, it's time for you to change job, change company, okay? Merong termination na nangyari for some of you. Yeah. Lilipat ng bagong kumpanya, bagong trabaho. Loan approved, okay? Loan approved, kung meron kayong in-applyan na loans, okay? It will be approved, okay? You are qualified to borrow money. Yeah. Okay. Follow up. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, you need to make a follow up. Okay. Kung meron kayong ina-applyan na trabaho, make a follow up. Okay. Or sa mga loans na ina-applyan ninyo, check with your banker or with your agent. Okay. Yeah. Follow up the result of your job interview. Check the development. Multitasking. Yung iba sa inyo, you are doing a multitask. Okay? While at home, yeah. Yung iba ay work at home and at the same time may inaalagaan kayong mga anak. Okay? Small ones. You have a lot of obligations and responsibilities. Okay. You are juggling and doing balancing act, okay, sa inyong ginagawa or kung anuman sitwasyon na meron kayo ngayon. Dress to impress, okay? You need to dress up, okay? Get your best dress. Maybe for some of you, you will be attending a seminar, an orientation, okay? Or for some, it's going to be the first day of your job. Or bago ka lang sa company, you are newly hired. So you need to dress to impress, okay? Impress your employers, your boss, yeah. Merong interview, training, seminars, orientation, or company events na atinan, okay? Additional messages for Gemini. Gemini. Yeah, for some of you, you will be conducting a seminar, okay, or a training. You will be meeting a supplier or a client, okay, for some of you. So you need to dress up to impress. Broken wishbone. Wish will not be granted. Okay. Yeah, that is for some of you. But do not lose hope. Yeah. Kung meron mga disappointments, okay, sa inyong ginagawa, just keep on moving, okay? Keep on, move forward. Keep moving forward, okay? November. The month of November will be memorable for you. May mga importante or ganap na mangyayari sa buwan ng November. Success, achievements na matatanggap sa buwan ng November, okay? Coins, money will be coming to you. Yes. So, do not give up. Keep moving forward, okay? Okay? New doors will be open for you. Not unsuccessful plans. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you need to make or you need to revise your plans. If it's not working, then gawa ng panibagong plano. Okay? Mas magandang plano or strategy sa inyong mga approach. Okay? Or sa inyong mga presentation. Casket. Someone going out of your life or the end of a situation. Okay? And Rabbit, too much concern with sexual matters. Okay, yeah, that's for some of you. Okay. Gemini. Yeah, may mga concerns or issues about sexuality for some of you. Merong problema, okay, in that matter, in that area of your life, about partnership, or love relationships. Gemini, ano yung mga messages for Gemini? Ano mga gabay or mga paparating na mga energies and messages for Gemini? The Emperor, okay? Long-term plans, strategic plans, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, yes. Secure your future. So, kailangan mo mag-prepare, mag-plan ahead, okay? Para sa future mo. Make long-term plans for some of you, okay? Yeah. King of Swords. So, make a wise decision. Gemini. Okay? Whether this is in business, okay, or sa company mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are a company owner, okay, a business owner, or may mataas na ranggo sa kumpanya. May importante na role sa company, okay? So, you need to be logical and wise at the same time in making a decision. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong kailangang ayusin na sistema. Okay, sa trabaho, mga processes, okay? So you need to be firm. Yes. Sa inyong mga desisyon or sa inyong mga i-implement na mga procedures or processes or systems. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you're going to consult or you'll be dealing a person na wise, matalino, okay? Yung expert sa area or sa field ng inyong work, okay? Yeah. Okay. For some of you, merong tao, okay, na hindi masaya about the situation. Yes. He or she is missing the opportunity. Okay? For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, yeah, you need to take action. Okay? Yeah, you feel sad or nasa iba yung attention ninyo. Okay? Yeah. But there will be happiness in your family setup. Okay? Yung family dynamics. Yung mga material needs nyo, yung mga pangangailangan are met. Okay? There is something na kailangan ng inyong atensyon. Gemini. Maybe your family needs you, okay? You're not giving attention to them because you are focusing on your work too much, okay? Busy kayo, madami kayong ginagawa. May mga plans kayo, may mga inaayos kayo sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong company or business, okay? The Tower. Okay? May kailangan baguhin, okay? Or may kinakailangang baguhin sa sistema. Okay? If this is a relationship, yeah, a tower must fall so that better ones can be built. Okay? Kung ano man to yung significant or importante na pagbabago, okay, ito ay kinakailangan or destined to happen. Okay? Shed the old and embrace the new. For some of you, Gemini, okay? Even pwedeng sa inyong relationship to, family relationship or family dynamics, okay? Sa work, a foundation, may kailangang baguhin. A sudden event, a sudden change, okay, that will lead to something better. So, it is in your work, your life in general, okay, personal life, business, relationships, okay? Yeah. Hope. There is hope for you, Gemini. You are ending a difficult time, okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari, okay? Maraming mga backstabbers, deception, okay? Or dishonesty na nangyayari. And napapagod ka na or punong-puno ka na, may mga toxicity. Ma-overcome mo yun, Gemini. Okay? So, expect things to be better now. Okay? Yeah. May mga kailangang baguhin. Yes, expect things to be better. Concerns will fade away, Gemini. Yeah. You will be happy. You will be proud. Okay? Yes, concerns will fade away. Okay? For some of you, meron kayong mga sleepless nights, okay? Nag-worry over something. Okay? Yeah. There is something na nag-worry ka. May iniisip ka palagi. Okay? You are thinking about the security, financial security of your family or stability. Okay? Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you will be traveling. May kailangan kang gawin, okay? Or may kailangan kang ayusin with regards to your stability, financial stability and security, okay? May biyahe, okay? You need, magkakaroon ka or you will be needing a willpower and self-discipline, okay? To achieve something, success. Yeah. Okay. Kung ano man to ang wino-work out mo, okay, financially, you need to have that confidence sa sarili mo and the willpower to succeed, okay? People will recognize yung galing ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be required to travel, okay? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Merong worries or mga concerns or parang may takot ka din, no? Over something, maybe for some of you dahil magpabiyahe ka, okay? May gumugulo sa isip mo, Gemini. You need to be confident, okay? You are not seeing the positivity in the situation. Okay? But there will be success, okay? Victory sa gagawin mo. Yeah. Make plans, okay? For some of you, kailan mo rin mag-take a pause ng pahinga. Let it grow, okay? Yeah. Hindi mo kailangan bantayan maya-maya kung ano nangyayari na, kung merong improvement sa work mo or sa business mo. Okay? Relax, take a pause. Okay? You are worrying too much. Yeah. So, kailangan ng patient, pasensya. Okay? May mga good news about financial matters na paparating sa inyo, Gemini. Kailangan lang maging patient, okay? For some of you, nakakaisip kayo ng mga ibang paraan or ideas na makapagbigay sa inyo ng opportunity para kumita, okay? You're thinking about it. No, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong aaralin, skills, trainings, okay? Yeah, that will improve your finances, okay? Your income, mga side hustles. For some of you, you are wanting to do something challenging, okay? Meron kayong pag-aaralan. Okay. Disappointments, past regrets, okay? Past hurts, you have to let it go. You need to heal. Okay? Gemini, forgive. Okay? But do not forget the lesson na nakuha mo sa nangyari. Okay? Pero hindi mo, for you to be able to move forward, you have to let go kung ano man itong mga past hurts. Okay? Yung mga fears na nangyari in the past. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you have fears surrounding money or resources. Okay? Okay? Kung merong mga offers to give you help, okay? Do not hesitate to accept it. You need support for some of you. Let go of pride. Yeah. See? Let go of your worries and fears. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng enough, more than enough. Okay? Improvement sa inyong finances. Okay? You will be financially independent and secured. Okay? So, do not worry. Minsan, nauunahan tayo ng fears and worries na hindi pa naman nangyayari. Gemini, okay? Paranoia for some of you. You feel that you are not successful or you will not be successful. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo may mga projects and you are fearing na parang nawawalan kayo ng confidence. Okay? But do not. You will be assured financially. Okay? Kung may problema kayo about business, you will be successful, okay, in your business, lalago, okay, successful self-employment, you will be enjoying the luxury of life, maliliit na success, little luxuries, yun. I-enjoy mo yan. Huwag ka mag-isip ng negative or ng kawalan. Minsan, inuunahan na natin. Okay? You will be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Okay? You will be living a luxurious life. Okay? Okay? For some of you, merong mga invitation sa inyo sa mga events. Okay? They like you. May mga help na parating or darating sa inyo. They are interested to partner up with you. Yes, for a successful project. Okay? There will be happiness, contentment, okay, and abundance in your home life. Partnership. Okay? Partnership. Contracts. Yeah. Okay? It will be revealed or hindi mo pa to nalalaman. Hindi mo pa to alam. So, ngayon alam mo na. Okay? Yes. Success. You will be receiving or giving money at the same time. Okay? You will be given a favor. May pabor na ibibigay sa inyo. Okay? You will be favored. Kung ano man to, business dealings. Okay? Or sa trabaho. So, do not contemplate or yung self-limiting beliefs, yung hindi ka naniniwala na may maganda pang mangyayari sa inyo. Okay, so let go of that. Gemini. Tingnan natin. Spirit Messages Oracle cards for Gemini. Gemini. Slow down and take your time. There is no need to rush everything. You are already doing your part. Trust that what belongs in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. Okay? So trust, believe, be confident. Okay? Slow down and take your time. Yeah? Hindi mo kailangan i-monitor every now and then or na parang napaparanoid ka na. Okay? Sa mangyayari sa inyo when it comes to your career, finances, business. Okay? Gemini. 88. If you keep seeing the number 88, this is the message for you. You are on the cusp of a prosperous and abundant spiritual life. You will find numerous opportunities for success and achievement, all of which bring financial and material abundance into your life. I am wealthy. Yes, you are wealthy, Gemini. Okay? Prosperous and abundant spiritual life. May mga opportunities na paparating sa inyo. Okay? Financial and material abundance into your life. Alright? So, maraming salamat sa inyo. All the best, Gemini. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!